So now I have the clasp on the wire protector. Now I'm going to take that wire and stick it through the bead and the crimp bead. Sometimes you have to use a little bit of force with pliers to pull it through to get it tight. So you want a few millimeters between the wire cover and the crimp so that when you put your crimp bead cover over top of the crimp, there's room for it because they're actually bigger than the crimp itself. So I'm going to crimp that shut. And then I'm going to put on the crimp cover over top of the crimp that I just crimped. Trying to keep both of your pieces of nylon wire in with the crimp cover. And then there you go. Professional, finished, clean. Now you have this loose end guy. So I just take the wire cutters with the flat part facing in towards the bead and just cut that off. And there we go. And same thing on the other side, only you would add jump rings instead of your clasp so that it's adjustable.